Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching. Welcome back to Aren Isaac Zenje FX. To our new subscribers, I would like to officially welcoming you to this great family whereby we are learning how to trade from basic and up to where we are going to be a profitable forex trader. And to our returning subscribers, thank you for your great support. So guys, as promised earlier, that we are going to analyze all the major currencies. So I've already done the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, and today I want us to do Usdcad and to see where the direction is, and if we shall continue to buy this pair. So I would like you to support this channel by subscribing and share share to so many people, so that we can grow together and we can really know how to trade forex together. So let us begin. So as usual, I'm a swing trader, and I love to analyze my trade using a higher time frame, and the most favorable higher time frame I love is from 3 month, 1 month, and weekly. So we are going to use 3 month. Currently I'm in 3 month time frame, and I'm using Owanda. So I'm 3 month time frame. And Usdcad, what do you see here? We see that Usdcad for the longest time period we have been dropping. We have been dropping from here, we have been dropping from there. We formed a new high here, which was broken. Everybody can see which was broken. And then from the longest time we have been in arranging market. Are we together? From the longest time period of Usdcad, we have been in arranging market. If you can see that now, now we can continue. Allow me to continue. So before we continue, there's something I want to show you, that here we have cup and handle. Here we have cup and handle. If you can see, this is a cup, this is a cup, this is a cup. Then the handle is this one. The handle is this range. The handle is this range. And I told you guys, once we have break the brim of the cup, the distance from the brim of the cup, or the top of the cup, and the bottom of the cup, are we together? The price action will go to cover that distance upward. Are we together? So what do I mean? I mean the distance from here. Let me show you the distance from that brim of the cup. This is now the brim of the cup, or the top of the cup, and the bottom of the cup. This is now the bottom of the cup. The distance, the whole this distance, the market will go up that distance. Are we together? So are we going? Let us measure. Have we achieved that distance? And I told you guys that the first profit we are going to take is, we are going to take the first profit as the half of the profit, half of that distance. So let us measure that distance. I know you'll ask me, why did you choose to measure that distance from using the candle, not the wicks? The reason why I've choose to measure that candle, to measure that distance from the candle, is because if we change this chart pattern from being candle chart pattern to the line chart pattern, you shall see that is the point. That is the exact point. That is the exact point. So I love using line chart pattern. Are you together? If you are not sure or how to do it, so we are going to measure that distance, and we can all see that the price action came and touch our first profit. And I told you guys, once the TP1 is hit, the price action tends to go back to the entry point, which is this one. Then go back to the entry point, and then we shall now focus on TP2. We shall now go to TP2. So bear me witness, I'm calling this for the longest time period, for 2025. Bear me witness, no matter what, the price will come up to that zone. bear me witness, the price will come up to that zone. Yes, I know it may take a lot of time, it may take them so many months, but at the end of it all, the price will come to that zone, which is around 1.600. That zone, bear me witness, the price will come up to that zone, 1.5888. The price will come to that zone to complete that distance. So once we know the direction of the market in the 3-month time frame. So let us draw the key areas. Allow me to delete this. Let us draw the key area. You already know that the USD card we are buying. Now let us draw the key zone. Everybody can see the market has been ranging. So everyone can see that the market has been ranging up to that zone. So that is a strong support zone. Why am I saying it's a strong support zone? You can see every time the sellers brought the market up to here, they never broke it down. But the buyers took the control and take the price up. The same here. Are we together? And if you can see, we have triple double bottom. And here also we have a key resistance area. Here we have a very key resistance area there. We have a very key resistance area or zone. If you allow me to extend that like that, we have a very key resistance zone there. And as you know, I love to indicate resistance as with a red rectangle. So let us continue. Already in the 3-month time frame, we have already marked our key zone. We have already marked our key areas. In the 3-month time frame, we have already marked our key areas. And allow me now to see, do we have an upward trend? Or can we come up with a channel here? Allow us to see. Yes, we have an upward trend. And you know, whenever you see an orange line, just know that is a strong or a major trend. So do we have a channel here? Can we connect and see whether we have a channel? Yes, like that. So never force trade. Never force it. If you don't see it clearly, please don't force it. Kindly don't force it. Never force any trade. Allow it to form so that you can get a clear direction. So in the 3-month time frame, there's nothing much we can do. That is the only thing we can capture in the 3-month time frame. Let us go to monthly time frame and see whether we can see something else. So in the monthly time frame, we can see that the price action, the last month, all of us, we can see now in the last month, which was December. This is the last month, December, the last year, that is 2024. The price action broke this resistance, the major resistance. The price action broke this major resistance. It broke it with a good candle, bullish candle. Can you see that? So the price action break this candle, this resistance with a good bullish candle. That indicates that now we can now say that the buyers are in control. The buyers are in control. So they have break it. So are we going to buy? Up to this zone? Now we have now to come up with a key zone again in the monthly time frame. And you can see now in the monthly time frame also we have a ranging market. The market was ranging. So let us draw that ranging market, and I will show you. So in the monthly time frame, the market was ranging. Let us draw that ranging market. So the market was ranging from that point, and then our support was here. So this is the monthly time frame. So we had what? We had a arranging market. We had arranging market. This was arranging market in the monthly time frame. And I told you guys, once we have arranging market in the monthly time frame or any ranging market, we shall wait for it to be broken either side. Either it will break up. We shall wait for it to be broken either side and retest. Then the distance from the distance from the top to the bottom, the market will go that distance. The market will go that distance up or downward. And we are going now to take what? A half of the profit as a TP1. A half of the distance as a TP1. So let us mark that. Let us mark that distance. It is easy, guys, as long as you know or you understand the concept. It is very, very easy. Very easy. So it is easy. Our work is to be patient. We have to be patient, and you have to know how to control your emotion. Are you together, guys? Trading is all about being patient and know how to control your emotions. That is all about trading. So let us continue. So that is the distance. Now if you take that distance like that, you can see, guys, the market has already done what? The market has already taken our TP1. The market has already taken our TP1 there. The market was already taken our TP1 there. It is in our TP1. So what is the way forward? What is the way forward? And now the TP2 will be here. TP2 will be there. So what is the way forward? What is the way forward, guys? I'm going to show you the way forward. I'm going to tell you the way forward. And if this market, allow me to delete this, if this pair, if sellers will have, if this pair will come and retest this zone, either this zone or this zone, come and retest, but I can see a possibility the market might, it will not retest up to this zone. Are we together? I can see a possibility the market might not retest up to this zone. So there are several possibilities. Possibility number one is if the market will retrace up to this zone, which we are expecting it to do, we can buy from that zone now to accomplish that distance. Are we together? We can buy from that zone, confidently buy from that zone and accomplish that distance. Or if the market the market might not do what? The market might not retrace fully to this, up to this zone. It might now come back here, retrace to this zone, then up to this point. Are we together? That's scenario number two. Scenario number three is the market might try to do what? It might try to break. It might break that zone, retest, and then do what? And then target that zone. You can bear me witness. Those are scenario number 3. And scenario number 4, the last one, is the market might try to form it might try to consolidate this area. It might try to consolidate this area or to form a ranging market like that, and then liquidify people. Then from there we take off like that. So those are the 4 possibilities I'm looking for in Usdcad. Those are the 4 possibilities I'm seeing in Usdcad. This is the monthly time frame. So we shall go to the weekly time frame. And see whether any of this possibility will work. So let us go to weekly time frame. This is now our support. Allow me to draw it as a support and not resistance. That's now our support. Allow me to draw it as a support and not resistance. Sorry. That's now our support, which is now in blue color. We shall paint it blue. Very good. That's now our support. So let us continue. Weekly time frame. So we are now in the weekly time frame. And now you can see clearly. Now you can see very, very clearly. It is very clearly. that now already the market has retested this zone. Already the market has retested this zone. Now, remember this zone is the 3-month zone. The 3-month zone, which was broken. And I told you in the 3-month, once this zone is broken, the market will retrace it. Once it has been retraced and retested, now the market will use, the price action will use this point as a support to do what? To move the market high, to move the market high. Now, you can now allow me, all of us, we can now change that zone to be a support zone. Since now the market is above that zone, we can now use it as a support zone. Change it as a support. Very good. Very nice one. So even this one now, it will be a support zone. So we have two support zones that the market might consider to do what? To push the market, the price action might consider to push the market upward, to push the market upward. Those are the two zones the price action might consider to take the market or to push the market upward. Are we together? So let us now focus. Let us now focus here. Let us now focus at this. All of us, we can see that once the market came, break this high, retested. Are we together? Once retested, it came again, broke it, retested. But this now zone, it has not been retested. It has not been retested. It has not been retested. So it means we have what? We have a clear fair volume gap down below here. We have a weekly clear fair volume gap down below here, which can do what? Which can pull the market from here zone up to there, then we move. That is a possibility I can see. That's what I can see in the weekly time frame. So we have a clear fair volume gap there. We have a clear fair volume gap there, and now I will label it like that. Let us draw that fair volume gap that it has not been retested. Very good. So that is a clear fair volume gap there, and most of the time the price action tends to do what? Tends to retest back to that fair volume gap, and then it will take off. So there's nothing much we can see here in the weekly time frame, not unless if the market will consider coming back here. Now we shall buy from this zone confidently. Buy from this zone, targeting this area. Are we together? This is a confident, I'm telling you, this is a good signal for the whole of 2025. I'm telling you guys, Usdcad, we are going up to this zone. We are going up to this zone. Usdcad, we are going up to this zone bit by bit. Remember, our major target is around 1.5888 now, but we are going bit by bit. We shall take our taking profit bit by bit. Are we together? So this is now my point of interest is here. My point of interest is here. Is the point of interest. So if we shall see the market breaking this zone, if you shall see the market breaking that zone and retest again like that, we now going to buy from this zone up to this zone. That is what I'm targeting. That is my plan. That is my plan. So let us go to daily. Let us go to daily. Very good. Now you can see, guys. So let us go to daily, and if you can see clearly, this point now we have the power of a hidden candle. You see this candle, and it is at the exact point where I've told you. It at the exact point where I've told you, I've shown you. So this candle here, it can, the price action might use this candle, because this candle, you have not seen it anywhere else. We have not seen it in the weekly, we have not seen it in the monthly. So we are only seeing this candle in the daily time frame, which is very powerful. So the market might come and activate this candle. There is a possibility come and activate that candle, and we buy, we take off. So my point of interest, it will be here. So if it will come and activate that candle, now we shall buy. We shall buy there. We shall buy from this point. then we target our TP up to this zone. Around how many pips? Around 662 pips. Around 662 pips, if it will go like that now, and then our TP, our stop loss will be below this point. It will be below there. So the ratio is 1:7 or 1:6.83. That is if the price action will come up to that point, and we shall buy from that point. Or if the price action will break this point, if the price action will break this point like this, it will break like that and retest. Now we shall enter that zone up to there. So that is the plan B. That is the plan B. So I don't see any chances of selling this pair. This pair. I don't see any chance of selling this pair. I'm only buying. I'm only bullish in this pair. I'm bullish in Usdcad. I'm bullish in Usdcad. I'm bullish in Usdcad. So either way, we are going now to target around 437 pips against 181. But now remember, our stop loss, it will be somewhere there. Our stop loss will be somewhere there. Are we together? Our stop loss will be somewhere there. So that is what I'm looking for in Usdcad. That is what I'm looking for Usdcad. So that is plan A and plan B. So let us go to 4 hour time frame. Let us go to 4 hour time frame and see. In 4 hour time frame, there's nothing much we can see. In 4 hour time frame, there's nothing much we can see. But now, allow me to delete all that. In 4 hour time frame, let me draw this zone, and now let me draw this zone, and I can see a possibility of the market might not retest. It might not go up, down up to that zone. Why? In 4 hour time frame, we have already formed something we call, we have already grabbed the liquidity. In 4 hour time frame, we have already grabbed the liquidity. Can you see? It was a ranging market. So we have already grabbed the liquidity here. We have already grabbed the liquidity and we retested. So I don't see the point of waiting for this market to drop up to this zone. So it will, in 4 hour time frame, if you have not bought it from here, if you have not bought it from this zone, because now the market was ranging, we have grabbed the liquidity and we retested. So if you have not if you did not buy from this zone, wait for the price action to break this resistance now, and then you continue to buy. I don't see a possibility. There is a minimal chances the market will come up to this zone. There is a minimal chances the market will come up to this zone. Though it might come, but there is minimal chances. But the higher chances I can see, we shall target to buy from this zone. We shall target, the entry point is around 1.44412. This is the entry zone. We shall target that zone. Otherwise, have a blessed week, and please be safe. Remember to use proper risk management so that we can pocket some pips. Those are how many pips? Around how many pips? Let us calculate those pips that we are targeting. That around 400 and something pips. For 30 pips, we shall be targeting 430 pips. If the price action will break that zone. We break this zone and retest. We are targeting 430 pips. But if it will come down up to here, we shall be targeting around 666 pips. Otherwise, have a blessed week ahead. Thank you, guys.